Welcome to section number 4 of the Serverless Programming Solution course, DevOps Practices. In the previous section, we developed an e-commerce application using serverless technologies. In this section, we will talk about strategies for testing serverless application. Then we will discuss continuous deployment and continuous integration, building a CI/CD pipeline. And we will introduce advanced concepts related to deployment strategies and versioning for AWS Lambda. Testing serverless solutions. In this video, we will discuss testing strategies and we will implement some test cases. Humans make mistakes. So, software testing is really important because it allows to discover defects in the development phase, ensuring software reliability and quality. Testing is not cheap, but correcting bugs in production may be way more expensive. Testing also is not easy. You should carefully craft your test case, considering many paths, not only the happy one. However, good tests will protect you from unintentionally breaking functionalities when introducing new features or refactoring old code. Even if you don't follow TDD, please write tests for your code. Having a CI/CD pipeline without tests is meaningless. You may think that serverless testing is harder because lots of services are involved. In fact, testing a serverless app is different than testing a monolithic app, so you should change your approach. You would rather avoid the extra complexity of mocking external libraries or services you can't change. You would rather mock service interactions instead. For example, generating event payload using semlocal and invoking your Lambda as a normal function, passing payload as a parameter. For Lambda in particular, treat your functions as microservices and test them as isolated components. When all Lambda have been tested, if you glue them together with external components like Kinesis or DynamoDB that are heavily tested by AWS, you are quite sure that your system will work.